I just one question for Lil Nas X. What the hell? He's like a civil servant to me.
Hey! What? You said what?
Bro, I did not see that coming. What? Yeah. Ever since last night on Met Gala, I was not on. I was not impressed. What? This one of the worst dress ever. What kind of fiddling was this, bro? I mean, think about this. If you were a Met Gala, all you got good, you wear the good dress, some worse dress, or man, a fine ass dresses. But you can't say with everybody. I ain't know what I'm doing this, but this time, what did the ATF stand for? Always throwing losses. I'm wearing like a fat. This side, hold on, you don't care about this one. First off, let's talk about Pusha T real quick. Pusha T was wearing like a drawer's suit on, whatever it may be. And the point is, this man Rihanna and ASAP Rocky, he's wearing like a Jesus Peace dress. And you know why I saw Doja Cat sell? That makes sense. I didn't know Doja Cat was on like a third cat. I say this, you don't care about something. And now Lizzo. What about Lizzo? Okay, you don't know about Lizzo might be the one thing that I like to do. You not tell Lizzo what wearing this fast suit. It's like a garment or something. You know what fat garment like that?
This fat son of a bitch, he's fat!
Then what else new? What else new, bro? You cannot believe what we went down here and you can't do whatever's right or wrong. How the hell they'll make you want to do this time? And this time, there was Kim Jones and Kate Moss. They're wearing like a Tommy Hilfiger. No. Scratch that. What the hell they doing? I mean, look at Cardi B. I mean, Cardi B was like, what else? Cardi B, she's like a Chinese, well, can it be? See, yeah, Cardi B won. That's all on Twitter. And this time, Tiana Taylor, Keke Palmer, Halle. Someone tell me understand. What they're in the dress for? Let me see. What the hell I think I would call it? If I was out there, you don't know what the hell the Met Gala was. The Met Gala was all the charts. If I was out there, Vanessa Hudgens, she's wearing the Michael Kors on the sideline, and Jack Harlow wearing a Tommy Hilfiger with a pigment. See what the hell? I think it's what's happening in this time. Criminals got the cornrows. You know, Thomas Brown cornrows clean. You know, Thomas Brown, I'm here. And what the hell is Maluma doing wearing boss ass suit? Wow, this makes us good enough for last night. I mean, crazy last night to sell out here. Tommy Hilfiger and D Hilfiger, like husband and wife. I mean, you can't tell me what the part is, and you can't tell me what it's not. And there is Pusha T right there wearing Don Brown like a suit, a checkered drawer suit out my ass. You could not say what's going on here. And what else to do? You can't tell possibly. You don't tell nobody nothing. If I were, you cannot believe that God will not be weird. You cannot be weird this guy. You cannot be disappointed. You cannot be upset. Don't be discriminated. Don't be upset. Don't be a mock about it. And look at the Serena Williams wearing a Gucci suit. Congratulations to Serena Williams. She being pregnant in the same time, the same place. Congratulations. About you. Stormzy, the Blueberry. So who could wait and forget about Stormzy the Blueberry? If I would not be there so easy, Stormzy, you know Stormzy is a trip god itself. You cannot say anything or worse. Not to me, stupid. Lizzo my ass. She's a Lizzo. I'm just gonna leave it at that with Lizzo. So let's leave it alone. We're leaving Lizzo alone. Don't bother me. And Bella Ramsey went like Wednesday, and she like dresses Wednesday from Netflix. I think we should well do that. They're pretty good on and on, and I tell you, all that the pretty darn good. Where I was that makes sense. And what do we have here? Oh, the mention cover your chest, man. What are you looking at for? I mean, you got 9 sets for fashion, and you could do 8 I think Kim Jones and keep on wearing the Fendi suits. You can't have them one day at a time like this. I mean, it's safe. Very safe way. Golly. Woo. Cannot believe that man that Safeway was wearing an Oscar that I like that idea. Oh my God. Goodness gracious, man. I just had a little juggle myself and just waited this morning. Great. What the hell? This man's like an Alquay Fire Prince. Man, come on, dude. This makes sense, Wolfie. If I not enough of it. What did Russell Westbrook doing at Met Gala? Did he get eliminated? The Clippers? Did he get their ass eliminated? Yes. They traded away with the Lakers. I don't understand. I don't understand what that means. And this Erica Badu and Marnie? She's like a rock star? What kind of? Never mind all that. What is Whitney Griner and Terrell Carter? Okay, this thing is kind of clouded. I think Whitney Griner came out of jail this time around, and Taylor with this fine, great suit of ours, and you can't tell me when I'll be over. And this time around, I don't know what it is. This time around, ladies and gentlemen, you can never win. Let me tell y'all that. And this time, Mary J. Blige with a blue suit on. With this nice ass dress. When? How? Burna Boy is wearing the same Burberry, man. Come on, bro. Burna Boy? Yeah. That's his song, yeah? Oh, the Mason. Come on, bro. You gotta listen to that. Don't sleep on Burna Boy. He could always do it. Burna Boy every time, man. Every day. Every day, bro. You cannot possibly work for it next day. Saudi Kong wearing the Son Johns, and they're wearing a Son John suit. Come on, man. Don't give a guy about that. Jonelle Monáe, I never see her. She stripped her and wearing the fight. Y'all, I've been looking on her Twitter. And I was liking this, and it was like,
Man.
God damn. Oh my God. You don't think she... Jared Leto, come on, bro. Jared Leto, why are you wearing that cat suit? And look at that. You weren't wearing a... You wearing a metal rock star? Come on, bro. Kiki Palmer with the fine suit. Come on. I'm upset about this. Dude, you got going on with this time. Naomi Campbell. Yeah, I'm listening to myself. That's the bomb. That's really the bomb myself here, man. Some of y'all don't worry about this. I'll be there seriously. Be there. Don't make me do that, son. And Idris Elba and his wife. What kind of gang gypsy was that? It's like an H.S. Smith. Off the this time, what? And wait a minute, how the doors up with the door? And there's Lizzo with the cheese. I'm gonna pass the Lizzo with myself. Don't worry about it. Nothing. Pete Davidson with a Gucci bucket hat. Come on, bro. This makes sense even better. You gotta be kidding me. Pete Davidson with a Gucci bucket hat on myself. Dude, you get no. And Bad Bunny is that wearing chocolates? Oh, come on, man. Bad Bunny's gonna be okay. You bet. Don't believe Bad Bunny go beat Damian Priest's ass. Come on, man. You got it. You buy a little. Hey, wait. This time around, little nonsense. Come on. Lil Nas X wearing a deal, wearing silver, so you don't know. This is what happens when you don't have it. I am not a spice. Wear the low hair, and this time around, this is so fun. Yeah. One of the 5 minutes, you go other side. Right? You guys, y'all cool. What you? Y'all worse. Because I know for the fact, y'all husband and wife, I need a Dr. Umar phone call to help me out.
It's more dangerous. Umar Johnson. Okay, thank you.
And Patrick Mahomes, come on, man, you won Super Bowl and you win a balls, Gucci shoes. Oh my goodness, you gotta be joking. And Dr. Dre is winning. Oh Lord, come on, you're the legendary Hall of Famer rapper. Dude, that makes sense. 50 years of hip hop, you get me on a joke on this time, Dr. Dre, cause you never be styled. You never be styled, this man. K, what? Excuse me, I'll be leaving out here, so I'll be leaving to carry walk myself. So there's no way that people to treat like you guys had a fine ass suit. These females wearing this fine. This is really crazy. What for dinner?
Fresh hot ales. 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 Fresh hot ales.
All jokes aside, this gotta be the most Met Gala I ever seen last night. You can't probably out wondering wall and basketball at the same time. You know what? It's not ice, not spice, you know much. All sell with no punch. That's no punch sell. Should I need help, please?
Excuse me. Call the authorities.
We are the police.
We are the police.
The police of Haiti.
The police of Haiti.
Shame in jail.
You go to jail, you son of a bitch.
All right, hold on, man.
You go to jail.
I gotta call my friend to send him to the shadow realm.
And no, solo.
Solo Sikoa.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the shadow realm.
Do it. Just do it. Make your dreams come true. Please. Please.
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my god.